If I tie the LS2 up, whoop-de-doo, we going 6-2. I'm back at the, they done messed up, I fucked around and pop back out. Now I'm about to let this shit out, you feel me? Pop back out, now it's time to, now they pulling this shit out.
Hit a button, Morty, give me a beat. Oh man, okay, alright, Got trap jumping like fraud head, 2-2-3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mars cars back with another 2. Yeah, man. So check this out, y'all. 79 Impala. Y'all already know about Lala. Y'all been watching the channel. You feel me? Trailblazer SS clone build. Trailblazer LT turned to SS. GMC shop fed. You feel me? And let's swap the on shop bed. What else I got? Cutlass. But long story short, man, we back. You feel me? Like, drop these things, man. Knock these bills on out, man. If y'all been tuned into the channel, y'all know what's going on with Lala already. I ain't got to go over the. Y'all already know what's going on with Lala. I mean, inside and out Lala. You feel me? Lala took me here and there. You feel me? But I been in and out of there. You know what I'm saying? Lala almost done. Just some more things I want to do. Lala almost done. Lala is not for sale. Lala is not for sale. You feel me? But long story short, man, get back to these bills, man. Yes, I gotta show y'all what's going on with the box, though. Y'all know I had cut my 0 gauge white out right here. Y'all see that in the previous videos. The alternator had hit the fan. The alternator blade had hit the 0 gauge white out right here. The 0 gauge white came over and this hit when I tried to crank it. So I had to crank it up one battery. And I'm assuming since I didn't have this battery hooked up, on this battery hooked up, it cooked my ground wire. So you know, this right here not right, but that thing ain't gonna stay on. You feel me? So I gotta fix that. I'm buying new terminals and all that anyway. You know what I'm saying? That ain't really gonna be nothing to fix. But yeah, that's why I ain't really been driving the box. Cause it ain't gonna stay on because of the wire. It's a ground connection. So I'm putting some thicker wires. And I really been just trying to see how I wanna do it. How I wanna do this. For real. That's what I've been looking at. But yeah, I'm gonna go thicker wires, man, so I ain't gotta worry about all them problems. And I did this. I smelled it, I was trying to crank it. And I smelled smoke and I see smoke and I came under the hood. So I came under the hood and checked that out. I said, dang. So I can crank it right now and go cut on and cut back off. Because that's why. I'm knowing that's why. I'm knowing that why. Because of that why. Because of this why. That wire go to my alternator as well. That wire right there keep that thing keep cutting off. Go to my alternator as well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I know she full. Still got a little in the tank. Yeah, man. And I know I got a valve cover. I'm assuming the valve cover leak again. Man, it's just not, man, to the point. I'm about to just pull this thing out, bro. I'm gonna ride this 350 like I said, I'm gonna ride a little more. We'll pull this out, bro. Take that old out, bro. Go on the LS swap it. When I go on the LS swap it, car be down there done, bro. I been done did everything down there then. You know what I'm saying? On the LS swap that bad boy, man. I'm about to keep playing around. Gonna get them on up out of there. Go 6-0. I was thinking 5-3, but I might go 6-0. It's 6-0. Cause you know I got headers and everything for them motor, y'all. I ain't about to put that on it, man. I'm gonna take this 350 out, turn it up, 383, and those headers, shit, I got some headers standby, so whatever this car decide to put this motor in, then I'm just gonna put my new headers on that. But I ain't putting any headers on this motor while it's in here, man. I'll take that junk out, man. Don't get it wrong, it's 350. I can still do about 100 miles per hour. But, man, it's time for it to come on about. This is 1979. You know what I'm saying? This is 79. Man, that engine tired, man. I'm gonna pull it on up out of there, man. Ain't gonna keep playing around with it. Fuck it. Trailblazer SS bill. Know y'all been winning that Trailblazer bill, boy. Know y'all been winning that Trailblazer bill. I'm on it. I'm on it. You feel me? Had to just go through some things and find some more people to work on it, you know what I'm saying? But I want to learn these LS swaps myself so I can do it myself in the long run. So, therefore, I got somebody to work on the truck, but at the same time, I can learn some things while working on the truck as well. You get what I'm saying? Y'all been Trailblazer, y'all know that's my baby. That's my baby. If you've been tuning into the channel, if you haven't been tuning into the channel, you can go back. I got a video on when I went and got the 6.0 out of the Trailblazer SS. The Trailblazer SS was a wrecked Trailblazer SS, but I just need the LS2 up out of there and then rear end. You know what I'm saying? So I went and got that LS2 out of there, that rear end. I heard the engine run before I bought it. I got the SS rims off of it as well. So yeah, pretty much. You know, I think the rear end has 14 gears, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, I gotta be able to attach to that pavement, man. You feel me? I didn't get a transfer case to do the all-wheel drive because a lot of guys be scared to work on those. And those all-wheel drive versions have a lot of problems. So I stayed away from that. And I want to be the fishtail of that thing, you feel me? I want to be the slide no corners, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, which over? Left rear wheel drive. You feel me? Left rear wheel drive. Leave it like that. I'm trying to see if I want to put a cam in there or not. I probably don't because it was a V6 in there before. Now it's a V8. I feel like that's going to be enough power for me. If anything, I might add a Pro Charger to that 6.0. You know what I'm saying? If I tear that 6.0 up, yeah, what would it do? If I tear the 6.0 up, what would it do? We going 6.2. If I tear the LS2 up, what would it do? We going 6.2. You feel me? So that's what we on, man. Man, my car, man. Getting back to it. Man, it be so much stuff going on in life, man, and I be doing stuff to the cars that I don't even record it, man. So I'm trying to get our back on it for y'all, man. Keep these bangers coming 2-3 times a week. Keep coming 2-3 times a week. This short bed, y'all know, I never painted the car, never did body work. So I'm gonna teach myself on my short bed how to do body work and paint. And I'm gonna try to do the inside too. So I'm going inside and out the short bed like I did the Box Chevy. We're going in and out the short bed like I did the Box Chevy build. You did. In and out the Box Chevy, in and out the short bed like I did the Box Chevy build. La. You feel me? La custom grill, bow tie, glow up. You know. You feel me? I got that wheel back there. You feel me? Y'all gotta stay tuned in, man. You feel me? Y'all gotta stay tuned in, bro. The Trailblazer, I'm gonna paint it another color. I probably paint the same color Box Chevy, y'all. What y'all think about that? I paint that Trailblazer SS Destroyer Gray. What y'all think about that? You feel me? With the shop bed, I'm gonna do probably a white paint, because I heard white is the easiest to do, and it'll be my first time painting. So I probably go with white with this truck bed. I don't know, depending on how I feel. Yeah, I know I still got a lot of orange fabric from when I did this Box Chevy. So I might use the orange. I might not use the orange. I gotta stay tuned in, bro. You feel me? I gotta stay tuned in, man. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. I'm back active. They done messed up. I done fucked around and pop back out. Now I'm about to let this shit out. You feel me? Pop back out. Now it's time to, now they pulling this shit out. You feel me? Now I gotta show them what's going on. Show them who really doing the car shit for real. You feel me? Show them what's going on. And now the TA, I'm like the younger one doing it. Don't let nobody lie to you. I'm like the younger one doing it. Don't let nobody lie to you. You feel me?